Bringing PEX and CPVC together from one company is new to the industry. And really what that means for our customers is they're able to get a one-stop shop for their whole system instead of just parts and pieces of their system. In addition to that, the link between the PEX and the Schedule 80 CPVC has never been done before. ChlorFIT is a Schedule 80 CPVC offering that consists of pipe, fittings, and valves that we're going to offer from 1/2 inch to 8 inch. We recognize that there's more advantages to use PEX from 1/2 inch to 2 to 3 inch, but we need to have that comprehensive offering that enables customers to use ChlorFIT across that whole scale. Customers aren't going to have to worry about pitting, scaling, corrosion that they likely would have to deal with if they had a metal system at some of these larger diameters, and continue to bring that value proposition across a whole system instead of just being a part of one system.